Orege mwiroreri ndage kunyita ugeni guku thiini wa Kikuyu Star TV kuria tugikiugaga nikuo kwa njata ya ruri na tugithii na mbere ri ni ati Reverend Ben aka Muthee Kiengei wa kanitha wa JCM ni akirikite gwikorwo agicamanitie na his senior Archbishop Harrison Kiengei wa kanitha wa CFF kana Christian Foundation Fellowship eria magikorwo magicamania yuma njira ya gwikorwo ati mundu ugwitwo Reverend Ben ni agikorwo akigirirwo moko na agikorwo akihoerwo ni Harrison Ng'ang'a. Mundu ugwitwo Reverend Ben thutha wake gwikorwo akihoerirwo na gwikorwo akigirirwo moko iri ta njira ya gwikionania ati ni akinengeretwo muthigi wa kukimuteithiriria gwikorwo agitwarithia gospel na mbere ni githire na mbere na agikorwo agiruta ndumereri ya gwikorwo agicokeria Archbishop Harrison Kiengei ngatho haria akiandikirie tiriri haria page-ini yake ya Facebook: "Others are feathers to hide sons from harm and destiny divorce. Thank you so much Archbishop Harrison Kiengei and Reverend Lucy Harrison for accepting to walk with us. Your wise counsel and discipline has seen us make moves that will change the world's perspective and perception toward the true gospel of Jesus Christ. The JCM church family honor you with a lot of humility for equipping us for the kingdom assignment. The anointing is upon us for grace." Koguo iyo ni ndumiriri ya Reverend Ben kuri Archbishop Harrison Kiengei hari akimwirite ati ni agitwikite kionereria kia utwarithia wa nambere wa gospel. Reverend Ben agakimwira ati ye na kanitha wake wa JCM ni makimutiite muno kuona ati ni akimateithiririe gathabari-ini gaka ga gwikorwo ati magikorwo makihunjia kiugo kia Mwathani. Kuma guku kwa Kikuyu Star TV atugakiuga all the best kuri Reverend Ben o hamwe na kanitha wa JCM. Ngina kahinda kangiri reke tuonane.